What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Zahid, and today we have an exhaust video, and it's gonna be a rowdy one. But before we get into that, let's take a little trip down memory lane. Let's flash back to the last time I installed an exhaust on my Honda S2000. So not everything on YouTube is people straight piping their cars, right? Sometimes you got to turn it down a notch. I'm getting a little older. I need an exhaust that's a little classier, and I think the Mugen exhaust is the perfect fit. So much cleaner. Now we're gonna go for a cruise. I'm just gonna enjoy the old man exhaust life. That was the face of a man who didn't have 2 kids yet and who was content with an OEM Plus style build. As you can see, the car is no longer OEM Plus. And I've been thinking about getting a new exhaust for a while now, especially something that could pair really well with my ASM rear bumper. This is my new to me EVS Tuning catback exhaust for my Honda S2000. This right here is the muffler portion, as you can see. And if you guys don't already know, EVS Tuning is a sub-brand of Evasive Motorsports. They focus on creating affordable performance parts for a variety of different cars. Now, full disclosure, I was not planning on replacing my Mugen exhaust with this. I think we can all agree that'd be a little bit of a downgrade. But my buddy Jihan, aka the Crazy Korean, basically gifted this to me, and I decided I'm gonna have some fun with this until my next exhaust gets in. And that one is gonna be sick. So a little bit of foreshadowing there. It'll be here in about 6 months. So until then, let's have some fun with this thing. With the Mugen exhaust uninstalled, the first order of business is to see if there is any significant weight savings, considering the EVS is a single exit and the Mugen is a dual. The EVS came in at 29 pounds. Before I even weighed the Mugen exhaust, I could tell the muffler felt much lighter, and that's due to the fact that it's made out of titanium. The Mugen exhaust came in at 30 pounds. So despite having one less muffler and what seems to be a much smaller resonator, there's only a 1 pound difference between the EVS single exit and the Mugen dual exit. That is the difference between a premium lightweight titanium exhaust and a standard stainless steel exhaust. The install was pretty straightforward. All in all, the EVS exhaust felt well manufactured, and I loved the look of the Helmholtz resonator through the bumper. Evasive claims that this exhaust makes 13 horsepower and 7 foot-pounds of torque, backed by dyno and track testing. Okay, so the install went well. New gaskets look good, everything looks good. I'm sure we might have a little bit of an exhaust leak potentially, but all that's left to do is to start her up. I have a feeling this is gonna be a little bit too rowdy for my taste. But hey, like I said, we're gonna have some fun with it. So let's do it. Okay, so right off the bat, clearly it is pretty dang loud compared to the Mugen exhaust. Not as gnarly as like a Jay's Racing or something like that, but loud, for sure loud. So Mark, initial thoughts, what do you think?
It ain't no Mugen exhaust, that's for sure. That
That's for damn sure.
is a little bit rowdy, but I enjoy it.
Yeah, Mark likes the, you know, a little bit more hot boy exhaust. He likes to make a statement. I've in the past been a bit more subdued. I'm not sure how much I like this right now. It's a little bit too loud for my taste, but again, that's me coming from owning the Mugen exhaust before. So I think I really got to take it outside and rip it and see how it feels. I do have a feeling this is going to be a much funner driving experience than it has been in the past. So I guess let's take it out.
Let's do it. Look at this guy buckling up. I can't even buckle up.
I forgot to tell Mark my passenger side doesn't have a seatbelt right now.
The things I do for this channel.
All right, let's hear this thing.
Right, let's go.
Okay, so, I mean, city driving, low throttle, just chilling. It's really not too much louder. not much very noticeable. Okay, let's just kind of cruise around here. Okay, at like 3,000, 4,000, it's
for sure
significantly louder. Okay, little pull here.
Hey, you weren't kidding with the pickup. There's a little bit more pickup.
Dude, it's so much louder. I guess if you're like a guy who's used to like a really loud exhaust, this is probably not too crazy. But for me, that's pretty ridiculous. You know, I gotta say, it's pretty fun. I mean, I can't help but smile. It's pretty fun. Let's give it another rip over here on our secret testing facility.
Let's see here. Ooh, nice smooth road here. Okay. So much faith in this dude with my life right now.
Oh yeah,
no seatbelt.
I keep forgetting you don't have a seatbelt on. Okay, here you go. VTEC, baby! Jeez. It's nice.
It's nice.
It's not crazy rowdy. I can see myself totally getting used to this and
It's a pretty good daily.
Yeah,
daily exhaust.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't drone.
No.
I think we're gonna have to run this for a little while. Like I said earlier, this is not the final exhaust. I do have another exhaust coming in about 6 months. I'm excited to share that with you guys. That's gonna be a cool exhaust. More in line with the Mugen exhaust, like a bit more premium. But yeah, it's good, I like it. So what do you guys think of the EVS single exit exhaust? After driving it around for a few days, I did notice it can get pretty raspy, which I'm not a huge fan of, but for a budget exhaust, I think that this is totally worth it. The car has been a blast to drive around lately. The exhaust makes the car sound like a beehive on steroids, and I'm kind of digging it. The only thing that's really bugging me is the dual exit cutout. If anyone out there has an ASM single exit rear bumper cap for sale, please hit me up on Instagram. Also, don't forget to like the video if you learned something today, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for future installs. All right guys, thanks for tuning in for another video. Appreciate you guys. Like I said earlier, new exhaust coming in 6 months. It's not gonna be this one, but I'm gonna have some fun with this one. I can't wait to film some tailgate runs.
Hell yeah.
Now, this video is gonna end right here, but we're actually gonna go work on Mark's ISF right now and install an exhaust on his car too. So stay tuned for the next video. Until next time, peace out. Take care, guys.
Later.